Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ramp network for stablecoin on ramps, complete guide step by step clearly. To install ramp network for stablecoin on ramps, begin by visiting the official ramp network. Create an account by clicking the sign up button. Fill out the required fields with your email address and a secure password. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log in to your newly created account. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll find the integration options. Select API integration to access the technical documentation. Familiarize yourself with the API endpoints, especially those related to stablecoin transactions. Download the SDK by clicking the provided link on the documentation page. Follow the installation instructions specific to your development environment. After installation, initialize the SDK in your project. Use the provided API keys to authenticate your requests. Begin coding by setting up the API calls for the stablecoin purchase process. Implement the user interface where users will enter the amount they want to purchase. Connect the API calls to the user input fields. Test the integration in a development environment before going live. Ensure that you handle all potential errors gracefully in your code. Once testing is complete, prepare for deployment by reviewing all configurations. Deploy the updated code to your live website or application. Monitor the transaction processes to ensure everything runs smoothly post-launch. Keep an eye on the official Ramp Network channels for updates or changes to their API. Continue optimizing your integration based on user feedback and transaction performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.